Hi, kumusta? This is Michelle. So for today, let's talk about pre-selling versus RFO or ready for occupancy units, no? So let's start with pre-selling. Ano nga ba yung pre-selling, Michelle? So pre-selling is the early stage of a property or any condo or housing projects, right? So it's still under construction, it's still underdeveloped, so wala pang nakatayong bahay, wala pang nakatayong building or condo, it's still under construction. So anong advantage, Michelle, pag nag-invest ako sa pre-selling stage na property? Well, number one, you get it in an introductory price. So it's very affordable. Number two, less lang yung monthly payments mo on a pre-selling, ranging 5 to 10,000 per month. So, depende na sa'yo kung anong housing project ang gusto mo kasi meron tayong maraming uh, housing projects within Cebu ranging from 5,000 to 10,000 lang yung monthly. So if you're interested, let me know para ma-walk through kita. And yeah, aside from that, you can stretch it into 3 to 4, even 5 years to pay. Right? So, hindi mo namamalayan, oh, may condo na pala ako after 5 years. I already own a condo na pwede ko iparent or pwede kong for residential purpose, right? So, that's it. And number three, you can choose the location of your unit. So, if you want amenity facing, if you want city view facing, mountain view, sea view, if you want higher or lower floors, if you want corner units, or kung gusto mo yung feng shui, yung mga unit number 8 or floor number 8, this is the perfect stage because marami ka mapagpipilian. Pre-selling eh. It's on the early stage. So, it's an advantage kasi makakapili ka. Number four, of course, it's still pre-selling, so you don't need a huge amount of capital. Hindi mo kailangan maglabas ng malaking pera. You just need to pay for the reservation. Once reserved, nakalock in na yung unit sa'yo. And then after a month, you'll start paying your monthly payment up to 5 years, right? And eventually, you'll realize you're already a unit owner. And to tell you, marami ng developments within the Philippines, specifically dito sa Cebu, CCLEX, SM Marina eventually. And ang kagandahan ng developed na city or any city in the Philippines is the more na nagde-develop, the more na nag-appreciate yung market value ng mga property. So, if your mindset is hindi na muna ako mag-invest, mamaya na siguro pag-retire ko or pag marami na akong ipon, very wrong mindset. You know what? As early as possible kung kaya pa, and if you have excess yung budget, kung meron kang extra budget, choose pre-selling. Kasi nag-invest ka ng pre-selling para siyang forced savings account. So instead you're buying it or you're spending the money elsewhere, invest it in a pre-selling, and eventually you will reap what you sow. After 5 years, unit owner ka na. And you will get the return of your investment, which is like doubled, tripled, or even higher than that. Kasi nga, year over year, the value or the market value of your property appreciates from time to time. So, pag nag-wait ka pa ng retirement or if you wait for more than, 2 years kasi hesitant ka for today to invest, well, I'm telling you, during that time, mahal na yung mga properties kasi nag-increase na yung market value, right? So, as early as possible, the better, right? So, now, let's go to RFO. Ano nga ba yung RFO? So, these kind of properties are the kind of, these are the kind of properties na dapat physically, emotionally, and financially ready ka. Why? Because it needs a huge amount of money. So you need a down payment of roughly 5 to 10% of the total contract price, and you only have limited payment terms. So most probably 1 to 2 years na lang to pay the 5 to 10% of the total contract price. So meaning to say, medyo mabigat na yung monthly payment mo. And physically ready because once you paid for that, you also need to secure furnitures or dapat mo siyang i-redesign yung interior para medyo naman maganda, enticing, in order for you to market it as a rental business, right? Para may ma-entice at saka may mag-rent. Or if you want to have it for residential, of course, you need to have furnitures, appliances so that your family can actually move in and stay in your property comfortably. So that's the disadvantage. Pero the advantage is you can move in anytime as long as you are financially capable to have to do a down payment of 5 to 10% and to have it ready for move in. So that's it. It doesn't need a huge amount of money. You just need to be wise on your investments. Ingat!